At Expert-Hive Freelance Services, we simplify grammar step by step. To begin understanding Concord, remember this basic principle. A singular subject takes a singular verb, while a plural subject takes a plural verb. For example, the boy runs is correct. The boy run is incorrect because a singular subject needs a singular verb. Then show. The boy's run is correct. The boy's runs is incorrect. Notice how the S moves. She plays football. He runs. It works. The S at the end of the verb makes it singular. On the other hand, they play football. We run. I work. These are plural subjects or exceptions like I. For example, John and Mary are coming. My brother and sister live here. Two people make a plural subject. Each student has a book. Not have. Every teacher works hard. Always treat each and every as singular. For example, everyone is ready. Somebody knows the answer. These words always act as one single unit. Example, the team is winning. The family lives here. We see the group as a single entity. Here, the subject is list, not items. So the correct verb is, not are. Don't let the extra words fool you. Let's test your understanding. Which one is correct? The teacher and the student is here, or the teacher and the student are here? The correct answer is number 2, because teacher and student are two people making the subject plural. Let's recap. Singular subject takes a singular verb. Plural subject takes a plural verb, and makes subjects plural. Each and every take singular verbs. Indefinite pronouns are singular, and collective nouns usually take singular verbs. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our lessons. We post simplified tutorials designed to help you understand difficult topics with ease. If you have any questions or need personalized academic support, visit our website at www.experthivetutors.com. We're here to help you succeed. See you in the next video.